Whoever doesn't dance, there's no cake. Mfana jaitambira koko isusu.
Christmas, every function.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! To the right, this is the Charter House. Used to be the Anglo-American headquarters. Then this is Crown Plaza Monum Tapa. This is where the Vice President's office is. And all the seat tents. And now we are roaming the streets.
We're roaming about
the streets of Harare.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Bevlin, and this is Disperse. If this is your first time seeing my lovely face, don't let it be the last by hitting the subscribe button. If it's not, welcome back. Where are we going, Coco? AJ, where are we going? Where are we going? To a trip. Yeah. Another trip. Good job. Coco, where are we going? Going.
Good girl.
Well done.
Yeah, well done.
This is another road to Mashingo. Coco, say happy birthday, Dada. This is nice.
No, in our culture we usually lie about that. Man, no, it's just things. For the quiet champion architects to other YouTube, and we also have cultural bags, bangles, bracelets, earrings.
What's that, madam? Say monkey.
That's a good, eh?
That's it, ma'am. Wow, monkey. Thank you.
Come.
Alright, so this one is a different feature from room 10. It has an outside garden. Oh. Yes, it's the birthday boy. This is your present. It's quite nice actually. You can go and check it out.
Oh.
As well.
Oh, it's got day bed.
Yeah, for reading. Okay.
that was supposed to be graceful, but here we are. Ugh. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day of the vlog. Showered, dressed, and ready for breakfast. It's so cold here. We are right by the river. We are in the river, rather, because oh my goodness, I was frozen the whole night. But there were extra blankets, so once I got in the blankets, I was fine. But as soon as you get out, oh my goodness. So before you go to bed, because sunscreen, even in winter, especially in winter. I couldn't find my bonnet last night, so I ended up using a shirt. I think I have seborrheic dermatitis or something along those lines, because the dandruff that comes out of my head. I remember when I was in uni, there's a time I had to get what is this called? Medicated shampoo, because this shampoo because my scalp was lifting in little chunks of dandruff, which is crazy. I've been taking collagen and vitamins, as well as magnesium, and I think it has been really helping with my hair and my skin, as well as my energy levels with the magnesium. So that's been super great. I need to head out now. Tiny turtle, his name was Tim. He drank up all the water. Goop, goop, goop. He ate up all the soap. What's up, you guys? We're now going for canoeing. The guide has just gone to get the life jackets for the babies. No, don't scare Jasmine. If we scare Jasmine, Jasmine is running away, AJ. Coco is down for a nap. I didn't get to go for lunch, so I'm gonna eat now. Hubs got me takeaway. He forgot to get me a spoon, so we're gonna be eating with our hands.
Shona, Ndebele, English, Sesebe. Only one name.
Right. What's unique about it?
But we only have one.
Oh, really?
Only one. Alright? It's only one. So there were 3. 2 of them were hunted illegally by poachers.
These are wounded this.
Ngongoni in Shona. I heard someone saying buffalo.
It's not me. Leave me alone.
Okay. Okay, the person who was saying it's a buffalo is right in the sense that this is the only animal with different features of different animals, right? If you look at the horns, they look like those of a buffalo, right? Look at the tail. What animal is that?
Horse.
A horse, right? If you look at the hind legs or the back legs, they are shorter than the front ones.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
What animal is that?
Antelope.
The hyena.
Oh.
Wow. Alright. If you look at the skin color, it's similar to that of a warthog.
Zimai mocha. Churukuda content. Hey, Bona. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another day of the vlog. We're all packed now and ready to go. Yeah, it's a bit chilly today. I mean, it's been chilly the last couple of days because we're right by the river. Let me show you guys. We're right by the river. This is what Sarue River, but like this part is like man-made, I think, man-made, so that they open up water to go right round. But it leads into Sarue River. I'm just gonna do like a quick check under the blankets, you know, and then we keep going. Hubs is already gone. The people here will come and get our bags. I just need my handbag and we're good to go. Good morning. Hola, mamacita. In all black. Good morning, Baba.
And Taura, hello Taura. Hi. Okay, so the elephant standing next to Champion, his name's Buru. Buru is 13 years old, and also Buru, it's a good boy. Buru, can you do high five, my boy? That's a high five. So guys, you are free to take some video and photos. There's no problem at all. Buru, can you repeat again? High five. High five, my boy. Up. That's a high five.
Then the next elephant standing next to Taura is named Dunu. Dunu is 9 years old, and also Dunu, it's a good boy. Dunu, can you do head shake, my boy? That's a head shake. Can you repeat again, head shake? That's a head shake. Dunu, can you do high five, my boy?
High five. High five.
That's a high five. Dunu, can you do handshake? That's a handshake. Alright, so now guys, I need to give you some food. So that food is not for you, it's for the elephant. Alright, so the elephant, they spend like 16 to 17 hours a day eating. So their eating is their hobby. Alright, so the big elephant, they sleep standing, they look their elbows, then they find a big tree, then they go to lean there. Because of what? Because of when you sleep down, their stomach content, they are pushed to the lungs. That's why they are sleep standing. So the lifespan of elephant is 65 to 70 years. Then the female of elephant, they carry baby for 22 to 24 months. That's 2 years. Then the baby, they enjoy milk for 2.5 years. So their elephant nipples is here in front, not at the back. So you see? So female and male both have got a nipples. So it's here in front, not at the back. So the difference of female and male, a male have got a hump on the forehead, then the female have got a flat on the forehead. Sometimes for male to drink water, so they'll suck water to up this level, then they blow inside the mouth. So up here there's a 2 valve, they are called their nares. So their nares, they are one who protect lungs. When you play with dust, when you suck water. So the ear hole is here in front, not at the back. It's here in front, not at the back. So between ear and eye, there's a little wall here, you see? There's a little wall here, their name's chamber glands. So their chamber glands, they are one who show their elephant emotions. Like sad, anger, fear, must, hate, sick, stress. They display through that wall. So the elephant, they are happy. They are secreting a fluid like now, but that fluid, they are quick dry. But they are not happy, they are secreting a fluid in a dark like used oil. Yes. And that fluid, they are not quick dry, and that fluid, we've got a bad smell. So you can smell it in over 100 meters. So you can know that elephant is not happy. Then the skin of elephant is very thick, 1 to 2 centimeters in other part. Although it's thick, they can feel mosquito landing to this skin. Because of this hair, they are connected to nerve system. Yes. Their front leg, they are round like soccer ball. Their back leg, they are overall like rugby ball. So here in front, they are considered more weight than back. So here in front, they are considered 60% weight, back, they are considered 40% weight. Yet only, they are considered 16% weight. So if you see the elephant flipping their ears, it's not a charging, guys. So they use that ears to cool temperature. Look now, the temperature is cold. That's why they're closing their ears. But they are hot, they are flipping their ears. Yes. Then their ears, their design is a maple.
Yeah.
So India elephant, their ears, their design is a maple of India. Asia elephant, their ears, their design is a maple of Asia. So we can know this one is African, this one is India, this one is Asia through that ears.
Is that just natural, or is this something someone is?
It's a nature. It's a nature. That's a nature. That's a nature. So their memory is very sharp, guys. If you come after 25 years or 30 years, this elephant, they still remember you.
Okay.
Yes, so if you play bad today, when you come, you start there. If you play good today, When you come, you start there. But so now, guys, I need to put some pellets here. Then you can come stand here. Then we'll take you a family's pictures.
Okay.